Zcash just flashed bullish, but is this breakout a fake out? And where exactly is the smart money sitting? Firstly, the price action has been in a bull flag since the beginning of May, and we were previously looking at this flag as a line in the sand we could use to trade bullish continuation. And we highlighted the fact that we really wanted to see ZEC come back down to this support area where this order block is between around 490 and 430. As you can see here, this has previously been nice support and resistance for the price action, but instead, of course, we had this breakout just below resistance being $555. And you can see now we could potentially be putting in a lower high now, as opposed to a move which takes us up into this red order block. So we have a situation where the breakout is happening in a relatively inconvenient position. The breakout is essentially straddling this, as I said, 555, meaning it's going to be very difficult for the price action to confirm a flip of that from resistance to support to continue upwards from here, because it's not a significant retrace value to bring bulls in. Zcash is quite overextended at the moment, and with Bitcoin carrying a lot of downside potential on its shoulders, it's difficult to see that we're going to get a lot of bulls coming in at this level, hence why the order block down here is significantly bigger than the order block up here. So of course, if Bitcoin does head up from here, we could have a nice textbook bounce and we could move up, but the risk is elevated. There is a possibility of more upside, and we still have this upper resistance level yet to deal with at 713. There's a lot of sellers there. We could still move up from here, meaning that a short entry at this point is not ideal either, even if you think this is a potential double top of some kind. But there has been a bullish break, not in the right position, but that doesn't change the fact that there are now two very obvious places to trade ZEC. The first one is a short position at 713, not at current levels, right? That would be the first place for a viable short entry. Remember, don't put your canoe and start paddling it against the tide. We are in an uptrend. We have a nice reversal pattern here at support. We've broken above these key moving averages, and even though ZEC may struggle to get up here, we have to presume that it's possible for it to do so if Bitcoin flashes bullish just for a few days, and therefore it is a short not from current levels, 585. The next short opportunity will be approaching 713, this area here. That's when the probabilities start stacking up in our favor, but also we can't enter a long position here because the breakout just isn't in a convenient place in terms of risk management, and managing risk is everything in crypto trading. And therefore, even though ZEC is bullish, we just need to make sure we're coming in at the right place, which is with these other buyers at this level at the 1.618, which is 445 in the middle of it, 460. Anywhere in this zone will give you a manageable position in terms of a long entry. And of course, we've also got this moving average potentially coming up, offering a lot of confluence. So this is the zone where we want to see a reversal from for ZEC, right? Bearing in mind downside risk for Bitcoin. And then of course, this is where we want to sell. So it's a 713 sell or a surrounding 450 buy in this zone for ZEC. But don't chase this, remember, let it come to you. Be the lioness in the long grass. Don't get carried away with bullish fervor, but also don't start thinking of shorts when an asset is still bullish. A couple of plays with ZEC, but also a little bit of patience is required here. But that's Zcash.